video, I'm going to be showing you how to merge cells within numbers on your Mac. Let's do it right now. Okay, so for this tutorial, we are actually going to be using this very basic spreadsheet here. And this represents months out of the year as well as the total sales for those months. So very basic business spreadsheet. Now, what we want to do in order to merge cells, let's say we want to actually look at these as a quarterly type basis, meaning we want to lump these 3 months together and these 3 months together so we can kind of see a more clear picture with everything merged. Now, when you're merging cells, remember you have to merge like-minded cells, meaning cells with the same format. So we can merge like-minded cells if they're in this dollar figure over here, or over here in this format if they're all with this basic text, or in this case, kind of like a date format. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the cells that we want merged together. In this case, I want to use these 3 here. And there's 2 ways of doing this. The first way is to come up and select the table option. That's going to give us a drop down, and then you're going to come down here and click on the merge cells option. You can see that automatically lumps everything together into one large cell. Now, if we want to do another way, you can actually highlight these 3 down here, and then we're going to right click within that highlighted box. And as you can see, we get a menu pop up here, and we can come down and click on that merge cells option again down there. So that's what it looks like with the money. Let me show you what it looks like with text over here. We'll do that same thing with the right click, come down here to merge cells. And as you can see, those will be lumped together as well. Friends, again, that's very basic. Get creative with this. If you guys have any specific questions, leave them in the comment section below. And hit that thumbs up button if this has helped. You also may want to subscribe because we got a bunch more tech tutorial videos, including spreadsheet videos that are coming up really quick. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.